Hey guys, it's Jess. I hope you're all having a great day so far. For today's video, we are doing a summer 2020 fashion trend report. And basically in these trend reports, I break down all of the big upcoming fashion trends for the season. So summer, I'm talking all things colors, prints, patterns, fabrics, styles, and pieces. So these are all things you're going to start seeing pop up all over stores and things people will be wearing. So if you want to get a jump ahead on either picking some of these pieces up and giving your go at styling them, or if you just want to dig through your own closet and see what trends you already have and spend no dollars. And even though a lot of us are still on lockdown mode, you know what? We can look cute from inside of our house. We can still style up summer 2020 trends. This video is literally for fun. So subscribe if you enjoy, have fun, and let's hop on in. First at bat, we are talking about colors. Now, colors are something I'm so excited about for summer 2020 because the colors are coming through. So a couple colors that you are gonna see everywhere are one, butter yellow / pale yellow. Now, butter yellow has been big since, I would say, end of summer, fall of last year, and it's continued on strong. But now, besides the butter yellow, pale yellows, kind of like pastel yellows, are also beginning to make a strong presence. I think a lot of people lean heavily into pastels for spring just because, I mean, spring and pastels go hand in hand. It's just like a perfect marriage of style. So pale yellow, butter yellow, great colors for end of spring into summer. Also, you will see a ton of really bright and vibrant colors. Pink and orange, something I'm so excited about. One shade of orange in particular is going to be huge. It's kind of like a tangerine, which I think is the most lovely shade, and it looks so beautiful on a variety of different skin tones, lighter, darker, more olive. I say it's a pretty universally flattering color. Lilacs and limes are still going strong, which I am so happy about. It's like the Hulk on summer vacation. I love lime. I'm wearing it right now. I had to rep some of the summer trends, so I'm wearing the lime as well as one other one, which I don't think I talk about. It's pearls. Pearls are really big. Thanks, Harry Styles. Also chartreuse, a yellowish green. So think of Joy from Inside Out. Her dress is in a very chartreuse shade. And the final color that I wanted to bring up was powder blue. Now powder blue, I think is so gorgeous in warm weather months. I think it's so beautiful in matching sets, in tops, in dresses. It looks so airy and beautiful, and it just hits different during the warm weather months. So those are the colors to look out for. I would just say lean definitely more towards like brighter colors that are very vibrant, fun, and kind of lighthearted. Next up, we've got prints, patterns, and fabrics. So the first print / pattern, I don't really know what it constitutes as, but the first one that is incredibly present, and I think we've all seen it a lot throughout quarantine, tie-dye. So tie-dye is something that it's on everything. It's on jackets, it's on hoodies, it's on pants, it's on t-shirts, it's on bandanas, it's on face masks. Tie-dye is everywhere, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. You will see this pop up all throughout summer, and I think it'll be interesting to see where it goes throughout the fall. It's so personalized. There are so many different ways to wear it. There are different patterns of tie-dye. There are different colors, different combinations, and you really can customize it to what your taste or personal preference is. Maximalist prints are also going to be huge for summer. So when I say maximalist prints, I mean large scale, bold prints that are very, very power prints. So think of tropical prints, large scale floral prints that definitely have a statement to them. Daisies and polka dots. Polka dots have made a return. They've been gone. I think polka dots were pretty popular around spring of last year, then they disappeared for a little bit, and now they're back to say hello. But I think in summer, polka dots are always very popular. They're a very kind of whimsical, lighthearted summer fun type of print. So polka dots, always, I think, a pretty safe one for summer, as well as gingham. Gingham is just tried and true. It looks great. It's got the summer vibes. Any sort of retro inspired pattern is also going to be huge. I feel like the 70s, 80s, and 90s have carried such a huge influence on fashion in the last 3 to 5 years. I think those have really influenced culture and fashion and style, and I love a good retro print. I feel my favorite, 70s So good. I love the style of the 70s, and we'll actually talk about that in just a minute when we hop into styles. But to wrap up prints, patterns, and fabrics, a couple fabrics to keep an eye out for are tweed. Now with tweed, it wasn't something that necessarily popped up on a lot of runways for summer 2020, but it's something that a lot of people on like social media, influencers, style bloggers, people on more of the digital space side of things have been loving. Sheer fabric will also be big for this summer. And the last fabric you'll see popping up everywhere, or at least dupes in the terms of crocheted type of pieces, is broderie anglaise. Now this is a type of fabric that is like an intricate lace looking fabric. I'll definitely pop up pictures, but this I see trickling down in terms of crochet pieces. I think crochet is always really big in summer, but particularly irregular patterns, maybe kind of more intricate patterns. I think we'll just see some interesting things with crochet or lacy type of pieces for summer. Now let's talk about styles. This is my favorite one to talk about in a trend report because I love the fine details of a piece. So first up, puffed sleeves. Puffed sleeves have been going strong since last summer, and they are showing no signs of stopping. So puffed sleeves are just full, voluminous, or detailed sleeves that really have a statement. They're fun, they have a very, I would say, more feminine vibe to them. Design that adds so much to a piece. Side slits and slits in jeans and pants are something I have seen pop up everywhere. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be one of the biggest trends for sure. I've seen this start creeping in maybe over the last 2 to 3 months, and it's gonna keep going strong until summer. So any sort of skirts or dresses, mini skirts, maxi skirts, pants, trousers with some sort of slit. Cutouts are also going to be another big style this summer, and this is going to just truly pop up everywhere in bathing suits, dresses, I've seen it in pants, I've seen it in tops, I've seen it in blazers, with like the back cutout. The cutouts everywhere, cutouts in the back, cutouts on the side. Cutouts, people want to show skin this summer because we've been inside for too long and they're ready to be sexy. Colored leather, the last couple of big styles that I did mention in the last section were 70s and 90s style. 80s style too, but more definitely so. 70s like top tier, then 90s, then I would say 80s. Finally, pieces. Now I am just gonna read these off of my notes because there are quite a few pieces and I wanna kind of just do rapid fire. So first up, waistcoats. The waistcoats that go with suits, a big one. I don't think it's as wearable, but you know, they were kind of popping up everywhere. So waistcoats, bucket hats, baseball hats, something celebrities have been wearing a ton of. Ethereal white dresses, love those for summer. Bermuda shorts, so big. Those have been big since probably fall of last year, still going strong. If you don't have a pair of Bermuda shorts, you know what? Crop some of your jeans. Those, it's a look. Jeans cropped into Bermuda shorts, I've seen styled so cute, would recommend. One shoulder tops are something I have seen so much of, and it's such a simple take on a wardrobe basic. Like you can just have a regular tank top, but then it be one shoulder, super trendy. T-shirts, one shoulder. Dresses, one shoulder. An easy way to make something that's a little bit more simple and basic super on trend. Those are the summer trends that I am sharing with you guys today. Lots and lots coming up. A lot of them have carried on from previous seasons, so dig through your closet. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of the trends that are coming up, all of the summer styles. For me in particular, I think my favorite trends, one, the bright colors. I'm super jazzed on all of the colors that are coming up. The pinks, the purples, the oranges and tangerines, the greens, definitely the 70s style. I would love to know what styles or trends you are excited about. Now for today's quote of the day, today's quote reads, "Staying positive doesn't mean you have to be happy all of the time. It means that even on hard days, you know that there are better ones coming." Now, I love this because I think there is such a falsehood around what being positive means. I think a lot of people think it means you have to be happy and cheery and talk in a really high excited voice all the time and have so much energy and be so robust. And while that can 100% be true and like go off, yes, that's not entirely what being positive or being a positive person is. It's recognizing and understanding that even on your worst days, your hardest days, it's okay to feel crappy and it's okay to not feel good and it's okay to be sad. That's totally normal. We all feel crappy and sad and horrible and have junky days sometimes, and that's okay. But it's understanding and recognizing that there are better days coming, that things will get better, that things will improve, and they will. They 100% will. It's not faking happiness. It's not pretending to be this and that. And that was me in high school. I always used to be like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. and that was what I was known for. I was known for being like super cheery, super happy, super positive, and for the most part, I was that all of the time. But then on the days where I was going through something really tough or hard or through a breakup or a family issue, my identity relied so solely in people thinking I was this happy, bright, cheery creature that was always positive that I couldn't actually go through my emotions and process and just be kind of like on a lower energy some days. So I want you guys to realize you don't have to be like that all of the time. I still was a positive person even though I had that rough day. And you know, a couple days later when things got better, a couple weeks later, I still was that same person. I just had a couple days where things weren't as great, and that's okay. So understand that, recognize that, and think about that as we go into the week. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you have the most amazing rest of your day. I love you guys lots, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!